Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. Amber Group has launched Amber Nexus AI, a voice AI platform that enables any business to deploy a fully functional AI-powered call center in days, given configuration prerequisites. The AI agents sound completely human, and they take inbound calls or make outbound calls on a Jamaican number. They can also be configured to sit on websites and mobile apps. AI agents can be configured to handle key business operations. They can book appointments, chase collections, answer detailed product questions, and other operations. Plus, they transfer to live agents. In terms of cost, a human-handled call costs $7 to $12 fully loaded. A voice AI handles the same call for $30 cents to $50 cents, a 90+% collapse in cost with no drop in service quality. Nexus is not built to replace Jamaica's contact center workforce. AI handles the routine. Humans handle the moments that matter. Nexus is built on that hybrid model. NCB Group's unaudited financial results for Q2 2026 reported a consolidated net profit of $10.3 billion for the 6 months ended March 31, 2026, a 53% or $11.9 billion fall off from the $27.2 billion reported in the previous year. Net profit attributable to stockholders came in at $7.2 billion, 46% or $6.1 billion lower than the $13.3 billion recorded for the same period last year. Speaking about NCB stock at a recent investor briefing, CEO of Mayberry Group, Gary Peart, pointed out, NCB is the largest commercial bank in the country and is the most profitable institution. Yes, it had a shareholder issue where that shareholder had to sell some NCB shares and the market got into a tizzy. But no one is focused on the underlying asset, which is the bank. End Gary Peart's quote. Peart maintains that listed shares remain the asset class that will explode in value in the coming months, particularly if the war in Iran is declared to be over sometime next month. I quote, "At Mayberry Jamaican Equities, that's where our best bet is, because when equities do explode, you won't be able to get any shares." End quote. For the trading period of May 8, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited US dollar shares with 13,395,996 units, or 50.12% of market sales activities. Ken Tire Holdings Jamaica Limited with 3,158,618 units, representing 11.82% of market sales activities. Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited Jamaican dollar shares with 1,632,546 units, representing 6.11% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in transportation and distribution plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for May 8, 2026. Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $157.13 and buying at $158.93. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by $6.08 transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $117.81 and was bought for $111.73. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $9.22 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $218.62 and was bought for $209.40. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, most people think of a credit report as something tied only to debt, loans, or financial emergencies. In reality, your credit profile quietly shapes the quality, flexibility, and freedom of your lifestyle, especially if travel is part of your long-term vision. Career planning teaches us how to earn. Credit planning determines how smoothly we can get through opportunities. A strong credit report can become one of the most practical tools for building a travel lifestyle that complements your career instead of competing with it. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital, markets, and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.